Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review and I guess a taste test of blistex Fruit Smoothie Lip Balm. So they have FPS 15 in there. This is their special pack, comes with a free Peaches and Cream limited edition stick. So the Peaches and Cream right here is their new limited edition, flavor lip balm they just came out with from the Fruit Smoothie line from blistex. So how much does it cost for all four of these? If I could get the box, there we go, all four of them. $3.50. $3.50 for 4 lip balms versus Burt's Bees. If the camera can focus on it, yeah, Burt's Bees. Now Burt's Bees, he came out with like a new limited edition holiday flavor. I don't think it's pumpkin pie, because that's what they already had before. Maybe it's gingerbread or something. I can't remember if it was. I know it wasn't like a Halloween, Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. It was like some more Christmassy flavor one. But yeah, just for one of his little chapsticks, just one of these, you're about $4. $4 for one versus $3.50 for 4. That's why when I was in the store, I was like, new limited edition flavor from Burt's Bees, one little tube, $4, or blistex FPS 15 4-pack with a new limited edition Peaches and Cream flavor for only $3.50. I was like, 50 cents less, and I'm getting 3 more things of chapstick. So I was like, yeah, okay, that's simple. F it, I'm not buying the $4 for one. I'm gonna go and spend $3.50. Save that 50 cents and get 3 more tubes of chapstick. So yeah. So yeah, and then the ingredients and stuff that they have in here. Let me get the camera down and focus. Come on, focus. So yeah, if you want to read all the ingredients in here and stuff, just pause the video and read it. There'll also be like a link to, the blistex company, so you can see all their other flavors of products that they come out with and stuff. Which, I'm not seeing that it says blistex.com, but I do believe that they do have a website. I mean, most of these other companies, they do have a website. But yeah, just like the ingredients is... Okay, this first one, I can't really make out what it is. Then there's beeswax, blue one, lake, dihecatats, I don't know, but the only ingredients that I could really make out their actual names is, beeswax and blue one lake. Yeah. But anyway, let's open it up. Okay, let them and stuff. So we have our triple tropic right here, which is like a watermelon, pineapple, and I guess that right next to the pineapple and the watermelon, like right in the middle, it's supposed to be a coconut, but it's all yellow inside. Or maybe that's a papaya. Because if it's a papaya, that makes a lot more sense. Because seeing what the color is. But since they're saying triple tropic and like a little more tropical, you think, okay, maybe be like a coconut. I don't know, but there's what it looks like. How does it smell? Well, you definitely have the pineapple-y smell to it. I don't really smell any watermelon. I do smell a little bit of a mango. So pineapple, mango, not that much of watermelon at all. How does it apply? Pretty good, pretty good. I mean, there is some other companies out there that when they make chapstick, lip balm, you know, they're name brand, but when you apply them to your lips, it's like, you know, you gotta really drain it across your lips. Like, they're dry, they're hard, they don't apply. And then there's other ones that, woo, they slide across your lips like you just was taking a stick of butter. Or dipping your finger in, like, vegetable oil or, you know, corn oil or anything like that and applying that to your lips. So there's some companies out there super oily. And there's other ones out there that they're super dry that, I mean, you know, like dragging on a chalkboard where you hear that sound every time you write a chalkboard hard, or like dragging your nails across the chalkboard where it's like that sound. Feel like that on with chapstick. Like, for example, the Burt's Bees one. It's supposed to be super good because he uses all natural ingredients and stuff, super moisturizers and, you know, all that stuff, but very hard to apply. Doesn't last that long, like maybe 3 minutes, and then you gotta go and reapply it. So there's also that to consider too. Also, you know, in survival situations, you could use these to stop infection from getting into open cuts and wounds, you know, if they're small enough. You know, you could use it as a petroleum base, so, you know, to help you kind of get a campfire started. If it's wet, raining, windy out, that uses bug bites. Rub it on your bug bites, like mosquito bites, to stop the itching. So chapstick has a lot of uses besides, you know, just applying it to your lips, you know. So let's get on to the next flavor here, which is Berry Explosion. I see blueberries, strawberries, and I don't know what the heck the other berries is. Cranberries, I want to say? Would be really nice if they told you what all the berries were. Okay, this one kind of surprised me. Seeing how the tube is purple, I thought that this was going to be a purple one. Because, you know, this one was like an orangish tube and it was orange inside. But no, pink. I don't like the scent of this one, which is oddly surprising because I love blueberries and they say that they have blueberries and they have strawberries on here now. Not that bad. I mean, once you apply it, it's not that bad. I mean, a little bit more stronger scent of strawberries once you actually apply it to your lips than actually smelling the stick. Okay, then next up, we have Melon Melody. Yeah. So this one just has like honeydew melon there, which you think that they have honeydew, watermelon, and cantaloupe. You know, the big 3 melons. Nope, it's just honeydew melon. No cantaloupe, no watermelon, even though it's supposed to be melon melody. Melodies usually have more than, you know, one, right? But yeah, anyway. To me, it doesn't look anything like a melon. To me, it looks more like a cucumber color. Now, on here, I'm seeing honeydew, but when I'm smelling cantaloupe. And a little bit of cucumber, which is odd, because I'm smelling cucumber and cantaloupe, even though the picture on here is showing honeydew. Maybe a slight scent of honeydew, but a lot of cantaloupe and a little bit of cucumber and a very slight hit of honeydew. Okay, I guess. And now get it on to our final and our supposedly, you know, limited edition one. Peaches and Cream. Come on, focus, stupid camera. Wow, the camera does not really want to focus on this one. There you go. Peaches and Cream, which is our limited edition flavor one that we get in here. So we see the peaches, we see the cream. Let's see if they're lying or not. Nice little white creamish color, as you can see right there. I just gotta smell this one for a couple seconds because it kind of smells pretty good. Let me apply it first.